Do you want to keep your Instagram account private and prevent it from being recommended to others? In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to stop your Instagram account from appearing in the suggested section or as a suggested profile to other users. So we won't be doing this in the official Instagram application because we don't have the option in the settings. But instead of that, we will have to access our Instagram account through a web browser. So just exit the Instagram app and then open your preferred web browser. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll use Safari, and then we have to type Instagram.com in our URL bar. If your browser tries to redirect you to open the official app, then don't do that, because we will have to access the Instagram settings from within the web browser. If you're not logged into your Instagram account, just do so, and we can then continue to the next step. I'm going to tap on my profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen in order to get to my Instagram profile. And here it is, as you can see. Let's now customize one setting in order to stop our Instagram account from being suggested. Tap on the Edit Profile option, which should be just under your Instagram username. And once you get to this page, you'll want to go all the way down to the bottom of this page until you see this Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. If this option is enabled for you, then Instagram will suggest it to other people, and that's not what we want. Just disable this switch or turn it off. Click on Submit, and then we will stop Instagram from suggesting our account to others. See you in the next video, everyone.